The new estimate guide in ProDemand saves time for auto repair shops by simplifying the task of writing an estimate, with labor times, OEM parts pricing, and parts diagrams consolidated and viewable on a single page. It's the simplest, most efficient estimator we've ever built. Users can browse the service categories or search by part description or by part number if that is known. Start by entering a description, then click this icon or just press enter. If you see it listed, you may click on it directly to open it without typing its full name. Search narrowed this to driveline and axles. Parts and labor are returned together as a single lookup. Labor displays the primary operation. Clicking on that, we can see the labor time along with any related combination times. Combination times are presented separately for easy reading, including important notes. Select your labor time using the Add button. This is added to labor in the running totals above using the labor rate in shop settings. The Add button changes to Remove to provide an easy undo function. Note that a green check mark has been added as a visual indicator of the added task. Part options are also open. Part numbers displayed are OEM with list prices. By clicking on the blue part number or the item number in front of its description, a parts diagram can be displayed. We now have parts, labor, and images on the screen all at the same time. The diagram may be viewed full screen, returned to normal, and put away to restore full view of the parts and labor text. Part quantities may be adjusted here, saving time and ensuring accuracy. Select the appropriate part using the Add button. Its list price is added to parts in the running totals above. While we do not display a full list of selected labor and parts here, this may be reviewed by clicking on View Quote. All quote screen editing functions remain available. Return to Estimate Guide restores the previous screen. The new breadcrumb trail displays your navigation path so far, making it easier to return to any previous step. This eliminates the need to click back in the category list in order to continue your lookup process for other items. The revamped Estimate Guide puts it all together, allowing shops to quickly access all the information they need to create accurate, profitable estimates. This improved workflow helps increase overall shop efficiency and ultimately the shop's bottom line.